This is the Module 10 test, generating equivalent numerical expressions. Please pause, play, and rewind this recording as needed to listen to your oral administration. Number 1. Which of the following is another way of expressing 4 squared times 4 to the third? A. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. B. 4 times 4 times 4. C. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. D. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Number 2. What is the value of this expression? 20 divided by 10 minus 6. F. Negative 14. G. Negative 4. H. 5. J. 8. Number 3. Which of the following shows the prime factorization of 231? A. 3 to the third power times 13. B. 3 to the fifth power. C. 3 times 7 times 11. D. 3 times 79. Number 4. Given the expression 12 times 4 minus 2, what is the correct order of operations? F. Multiply 12 by 2, then subtract 4. G. Add 4 and 2, then multiply by 12. H. Multiply 12 by 4, then subtract 2. J. Subtract 2 from 4, then multiply by 12. Number 5. What is the value of this expression? 7 plus 4 times 6 minus 2 squared. A. 15. B. 71. C. 176. D. 4096. Number 6. What is the value of this expression? 4 times 3 plus 2 squared. F. 16. G. 28. H. 100. J. 196. Number 7. What is the prime factorization of 576? A. 2 to the fourth power times 3 to the third power. B. 2 to the sixth power times 3 to the second power. C. 2 to the fifth power times 3 to the third power. D. 2 to the seventh power times 3. Number 8. What is the value of 2 to the third power plus 3 to the second power? F. 12. G. 17. H. 36. J. 72. Number 9. What is the value of 4 to the third power divided by 2 to the fourth power? A. 4. B. 8. C. 12. D. 16. Number 10. What is the value of this expression? 4 plus 3 squared plus 9 minus 4 cubed. F, negative 42. G, 12. H, 29. J, 174. Number 11. What is the value of 5 to the third power plus 25 minus 18 squared? A, 74. B, 174. C, 426. D, 484. Number 12. What is the prime factorization of the number 16? F, 2 to the third. G, 2 to the fourth. H, 4 to the third. J, 4 to the fourth. (13) Susan needs to simplify the expression shown below. 72 minus 4 times 12 divided by 6. Which solution for Susan's expression is correct? A, 64, because 4 times 12 is 48. 48 divided by 6 is 8, and 72 minus 8 is 64. B, 136, because 72 minus 4 is 68. 68 times 12 is 816, and 816 divided by 6 is 36. C, 4, because 4 times 12 is 48. 72 minus 48 is 24, and 24 divided by 6 is 4. D, 408, because 72 minus 4 is 68. 12 divided by 6 is 6, and 68 times 6 is 408. Number 14. What is the value of this expression? 4 plus 9 divided by 3 divided by 4 times 2 plus 3 times 2. F, 13 divided by 66. G, 1 divided by 2. H, 13 divided by 6. J, 31 divided by 3. You have reached the end of your exam. Please turn your test in to DMAC with the DMAC code, and then give your test to your teacher.